front of me is nothing phone free, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or a video file to text message. Begin by launching Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Now tap on this icon of an audio at the bottom right corner. Use all of those options to create your audio file and hit attach to add it. If you want to add already existing one, tap on this plus icon at the bottom left corner instead. Hit Files. Tap on Audio at the top and look for it, or select it from one of those apps. If you still can't find it, tap on those three lines at the top left corner and pick one of those sources. Either way, after finding your file, click on it to add it. To add a video one, select this icon of a camera and the photo at the bottom right corner, and either record your video here, then send it, or to add already existing ones, click on it here, or pick any video by scrolling down, hitting Photos at the bottom left corner and accessing your gallery. Then just click on your video to attach it and select Add at the bottom right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!